Decomposition of odd composite number.
One can write odd composite numbers as the product of two or more odd factors. On the table, an odd factor is represented by the two binary values 1, 1 vertically aligned. For example, the factor 3 is located on the line ni equals 9 with the odd number 9 equal to 3 times 3. The factors 3 and 5 are located on the same line ni equals 15 with 15 equals to 3 by 5. Using the table, we can find the decomposition into prime factors of 45. Click on De Calcul. Enter 45. Enter the value 3 to have the break between the search of factors to increase the break. Run the search. 45 is decomposed into two products of two factors, 3 times 15 and 5 times 9. 15 is decomposed into one product of two factors, 3 and 5. 9 is decomposed into one product of two factors, 3 and 3. Whatever initial number of pairs of factors, the decomposition into prime factor is unique. That is to say, for the odd number 45, the factors 3 squared multiplied by factor 5. The search for the first prime factor of the first pair of factors begins with factor 3. Whenever a factor is found, one runs a search for the complementary factor from the factor that precedes the factor whose value corresponds to the studied odd number. The first factor found this way corresponds to the second factor of the first pair. One finds the first factor of a pair of factors by looking from left to right, while its complementary factor is found from right to left, and so forth for the second pair of factors and the following ones. Whenever two factors are identical, one writes the odd number as the square of the found factor. Let's take the example of 81. Run the search. The first pair of factors is 3 times 27. The second one is 9 times 9. One writes 27 as the pair of factors 3 and 9. One writes 9 as the pair of factors 3 and 3. The product of prime factors is 3 to the power of 4. One searches the first factor of a pair of factors between factor 3 and the factor whose value is the first odd number of the integer part of the square root of the odd number studied. For 81, this factor equals 9. The search for the first factor in a pair of factors is made between factor 3 and factor 9. The search for the complementary factor, that is to say, for the second factor of the pair of factors, is made between the factor 79, first factor inferior to factor 81, and the factor 9.